In this video, we will demonstrate how to configure the GRS Super Joystick with Retropie. Ensure that the USB of your GRS Super Joystick is already connected to the USB port of your Raspberry Pi computer. Now, let's long press any button on the joystick. Following the system's prompts, map the joystick and buttons sequentially. For any extra buttons or those that aren't defined, you can skip these by long pressing any already defined button. Lastly, don't forget to define the hotkey. And that's how you set up the GRS Super Joystick mapping in Retropie.